Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just want to say a really quick thank you to everybody who's hit like, subscribe and commented. Now this is a really quick video. It's basically the last hurrah in the 912. I'm just about to take it back to storage and collect my 911 again. A big bit of news. I have bought a Boxster and I think it might be a bit of a disaster, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video. I haven't made the video for that yet, so that's the next one. I need to go and see it, look at it properly. I've not done any of that. It's only just been delivered. So watch this space. It's a bit nuts. But firstly, I just want to say thank you to everybody who watched the videos all the way through. So go through James Gold, JD, Phil966, KidFresh1, Paul McAleer, John Navarro, Richard Stott, Mike Buckley. Oh, by the way, for Mike Buckley, the 911 is called Sally, all named by my daughter, Sally. This is Stanley, the 912. The MG is the Red Rooster, and the Golf R is Vader. Phil H, Andy P, NW, Mark Dempsey, Coolcat969, Doc Loco 86. Sorry if I've said that wrong. CSP 8373. Dom's Quadrito. No, I'm going to get back into people who've seen the previous videos. So thank you to everybody who's seen those all the way through. Really quick video, and right, let's go. So I have seat. Let's go. Is it right? Yes. I drove this the other night to Cafe in a Machine. Once again, it was a bit of a white knuckle ride. On the way there is fine. It's just that it's scorching hot, and it's scorching hot today. But I think it's going to rain all next week, and then we're kind of into October and it's all over. So I'm going to put it away. So yeah, we're just gonna have, this is the last drive. It takes about 15 minutes to get down to the storage place. And I'm gonna give it the beans. It actually drove okay, but on the way back from Cafe in a Machine, it's really difficult because I hate driving it in the dark. The lights work fine, as they were supposed to back then, 55 years ago. But the problem is that the modern car lights are so bright that when I'm looking in front and there's a car behind me, within my light beam, I see a shadow of my car because the beam from the car behind is so powerful. And that just makes it a bit, yeah, white knuckle ride-ish, bit hairy, bit sketchy. So I didn't enjoy that. The Boxster thing, although I'm going to go into more detail, it's only just, the Boxster's just arrived. I bought it. I don't really want to go into too much apart from how I bought it. I bought it off eBay. I didn't see it. I didn't speak directly to the owner. It was all via email and text message. It's just basically what was posted from what it looked like on eBay. There were probably 6 photos, and then I just asked about various questions, and that was it. So and then I just got it picked up from up north, and it got delivered, and I've not probably looked at it. So it's at Jack's. He's going to have a good look over it, top, bottom, underneath. I'll make a video of that, so when I go and see him next, we'll video it of him looking over it, and you know, Jack, he's not going to hold back with what he thinks of it, which is I think it might be a bit of a disaster from what I've seen. And also, you know, the video I mentioned before of somebody doing a video saying that they bought a Boxster S for £3,800, which you think, well, actually, that's a really good price and a lot of car for £3,800, but I don't have £3,800. So I think I'm gonna have to, I've insured this Boxster for a month, I think I'm going to have to sell it within the month to get my money back, because I need that money to pay my bills. So that's where we are. And there was a thing about, oh, there's a cat just run across the road. Speaking of cats, our kitten is now getting to probably close to 3 months old, and it's just I'm just sick of the litter tray being in the house because it can't go out yet. I'm sick of the smell of shit. In fact, its food smells of shit as well, and I'm convinced it has 2 anuses. Anuses. What does that sound? It's the plural of anus. Ani. Anuses. Anuses. It's like radius and radii. Is that right? Ani. Ani. I'm spending far too much time trying to work out what the plural of anus is. Why are those people parked in the middle of the road? What are they doing? Oh my god, that was a bit hairy. What are all those people doing? Give beans! Beans, beans, beans! 5,500 revs! Oh my god! Straight to 5th. Wind the window up. Anyway, I'm sick of the smell, and I can't wait until it can have its stuff done, so it can't have other babies, and it's had its final shots, and we can take it outside and get rid of the litter tray. I'll be so relieved, because at the moment I just Anyway, that's the video. Thank you to everybody for watching. I know it's a short, slightly random video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hitting like, subscribe, the comments, I really appreciate them. I'm gonna start doing more content from next week on Instagram as well. And I've had a lot of feedback on this as well, and it's always been a plan. I want to start doing slightly different videos, and I think a lot of it's to do with my own confidence, to pick up the camera and start talking into it while I'm walking. And also this camera, it's a GoPro, so I can't see if I'm centered in the frame, or if I'm trying to show something, I can't see. I thought about getting the media mod that goes on top, but it's about 80 quid. So I might have to do that, otherwise I can't really make it work. Or I can use my phone on a selfie stick, or I think we always talk a bit of a dick on a selfie stick, but doesn't everybody when they're videoing themselves? So I don't know. Anyway, let me know if it's anus or ani, anuses or ani, and oh whoa, the word. This is getting harder because I'm trying to limit it to Blackadder Goes Forth, which is my favourite of the series. I'm gonna go with, it's 2 words concatenated into one, and it's woof woof. The slug thing I didn't explain from which scene it's from. It's where Baldrick is pretending to be, or trying to dress up as, Charlie Chaplin, and he uses a slug. He balances a slug on his top lip. Not sticks it on, he balances it like this between his nose and his top lip. And what he's doing is Charlie Chaplin impression. And that's where that comes from. Anyway, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next video.